Good afternoon, Bonnick. Welcome to the kickoff of the afternoon swell.
I'm Miles Manu.
And I'm Jackson Carney.
We are here to fill you in on all the stories the Current missed.
As juniors, we were very prepared for all the March Madness festivities.
But what about the freshmen?
We wanted to hear their takes on March Madness.
We sent our reporters out to capture the freshman experience.
Who am I here with?
Elijah Padilla.
Braden Decker.
Are you guys excited for March Madness?
Yes.
Yeah.
Who do you think is going to win?
The seniors.
Freshman.
The seniors.
The seniors.
The seniors.
Obviously the freshmen.
The seniors.
Us. Hopefully freshmen.
And did you guys sign up for any events for March Madness?
The dance. The dance also.
I tried, but it might be too late.
The lip sync dance.
I didn't sign up for anything.
Bleacher decoration.
I haven't signed up yet, but I would like to do the display case.
The dance. Tug of war.
Tug of war.
Oh, the spin move. Miles to the defense.
Who am I here with?
Rain Sonato, Jaylene Garcia.
And did March Madness live up to your expectations?
Yeah, I think we did pretty good. I think we did good too.
Low-key, yeah, it did. It was fun, and I feel like the sophomores and the juniors ate up the dance.
Yeah, but I feel like not enough freshmen did the dance and the lip sync.
It was alright.
Yeah, I really liked it. It was a very fun event, and I'm very excited to do it next year and until I'm a senior.
I thought we were gonna do better, but it was also fun.
It exceeded them. It was crazy, and it was pretty cool. And we got to go in there, and I didn't think we were gonna do all of that, but that was so cool. And
Yes, the crowd was very hype.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
What a surprise. Congrats, seniors, on winning March Madness.
Even though we destroyed them in handball.
Just like last year.
The only thing that can cheer me up after that loss?
Puppies?
Nah. Well, maybe puppies.
Michaela, Emma, and Valentina went over to ARF on Daniels Hole Road to play with the dogs and learn about volunteering.
Gotta get those community service hours in.
Hi, I'm Val, and I'm here at ARF, and I'm here with...
I'm Bridget Stonemetz. I'm the Director of Adoptions.
Bridget, why is working here special to you?
Working here is special for me because I get to be the voice for the voiceless and save the animals who need it most. This is Scout and Midnight. They're about a week old. Scratch was found with some wounds on his side, so we're trying to get him all healed up. So I'm taking care of them. I've been bottle feeding them every 2 hours around the clock, all night long. But they are growing, and hopefully we'll be able to go out for adoption in about a month.
How do you feel when a dog who's been here a long time gets adopted?
It's definitely bittersweet. I love them so much, and I get used to seeing them every day. We are their family, but that's what we're here for. We get to see them have the home they really deserve.
I'm here with... what is this cat's name?
This is Oliver Fish.
And this cat is obviously in a different room, so what qualifies Oliver Fish to be in this room and not with the other cats?
Yeah, so Oliver Fish is on a special diet because he did come in with diabetes, so if he ate the other cat's food, it would make him pretty sick. So he gets to live in a private suite and eat his food and not have to worry about getting sick from the other food.
Hey, I'm here with Twister. Twister, how's life at ARF? Are you living the life? I let the cat out. The question we've all been waiting for, cats or dogs?
What do you think, Twister? Dogs.
That really makes me miss my own dogs.
I don't have a dog or any other pets for that matter.
I guess you and your brother are enough for Coach Manu.
And we're mostly potty trained.
Speaking of training, we probably should have trained a little harder to win that volleyball tournament.
On Friday, February 27th, the junior class hosted a volleyball tournament to raise money for this year's prom.
Around 30 teams came to try out and dethrone last year's champs.
Ava, Caitlin, and India were there to see if anyone had the skills to do
So
it.
excited for junior prom.
prom. But wait, isn't the junior class broke?
That's why we're hosting an annual volleyball tournament.
Let's see how the afternoon swell team is doing.
Team am I here with?
Oh, the winners?
Waffles.
Team Summer.
Or Team Seki 10.
The block party.
Bodie is chopped.
Who's your MVP?
Everybody's MVP in here. Everybody's MVP.
Lucas Sandalonza.
I would say Walter.
Kenya.
I feel like Nate kind of structurally holds the team together in a sense.
Charlie McMillan.
And why?
He's small body size, but he really gets that ball over that net.
And the last two teams of the loser bracket are playing right now to see who will play the winners of the winner bracket. Who do you think's gonna win?
I think the Calhouns are going to win because they won everything last year, so it's very competitive out there.
Behind me are the last two teams of the tournament. They're playing to 11. Let's see who wins.
Of course, Sam Slam and his varsity teammates won for the second year in a row.
At least we know they're going to be graduating before next year's tournament.
Yeah, give some of us others a chance. Gosh.
As we close our first episode of the Afternoon Swell, we'd like to remind everyone to keep an eye out for future episodes midweek.
Have a swell afternoon, Bonnet.